Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you get notified. On this particular video, we're going to walk you through how to order for your DataWay POS machine and walk you through the whole process and how you can actually proceed on to this platform in order to request for your own POS machine. And also, there are different features on this website, which of course I believe you will also benefit from data subscription, buying airtime, pay bills, and some other stuff. You will definitely benefit from them. And also, I'll walk you through some other features which I believe along the line you can also get them for yourself. So as the SME data subscription, and also you can be able to earn up to 250,000 naira on a monthly basis. So you can also see how it works here. And if you also want to chat with the customer support from DataWay platform, you can also click on the WhatsApp us here and you'll be able to chat with the customer support. But then if you just want to proceed on to the POS machine, so all you just need to do is to sign up on this platform, which is the register, and then you can proceed on from that particular page. And also you can see the hosting and POS terminals. So on this particular page, they actually wrote a detailed, or as you say, a well detailed instruction on how you can start a POS business in Nigeria. So you might also be interested on this particular page, which is also very important. You can click on the POS terminal and it will walk you through the whole process. And also on this all menus option here, you can also see different menu options from dashboard, buy and sell data airtime, buy and sell data, buy send money, buy coupon code, buy or sell electricity, renewable cable TV, and some lots more, which of course you can definitely benefit from. And you can also see apply for POS and or official agents here. So once you click on this, it will take you to where you can register or log in if you are already a member of this platform. So you can see we offer all the best value and the lowest price to our subscribers, the seller or vendor on airtime data, mobile data, and bill payments with fast delivery, including tools and API. We also see our affiliate marketer also enjoy a 50% commission, which is 1,000 naira plus extra 1 gig data bonus per referral to DataWay platform. So you can see how it works. But if you are new to this platform and you just want to register, and so that you can be able to proceed on to request for your own POS terminal from DataWay, so all you just need to do is just click on sign up button here, and on this particular page you're gonna see how to proceed on about it. So you can see email address, phone number, full name, username, referral optional, and you can also provide your password here. So I'm gonna sign up on this website so you can see how this website actually works. So I'm gonna blow some personal information, which is also very important to me. So then let me walk you through the inside. So I have signed up successfully and then it's logged me in and it asked me to set up my secret pin. So I already put that, then set up pin. Okay, uh, password successfully changed. So you can see this is my dashboard. You can see referral bonus, subscription, wallet balance, transaction points, referral, buy data, and all other stuff like that. Pay bills, wallet, cash out. So I'm actually looking for the option where I can actually um, sign up for POS machine. So never. So let me walk you through the POS option. I'm coming. All right, so this is the page to apply for the POS option. So you can see this application will grant you access to obtain POS terminal and also become DataWay official agent in your location. So these are the requirements for you to get started. You can see, make sure you are funding your wallet with 10,000 naira caution fee before you apply. Refundable option is available. Then you must provide a valid means of identification, voter's card, national ID card, driver's license, or international passport or NIN card. So you must also provide utility bills that is also correspond with the address you provided, NEPA bill or waste bill. Data with official app is required. You can only log in to use the app when your agent application is approved. So you can download the app here from Google Play Store. You can also use the alternative download link, which is datawayapps.com/apps.apk. And if you also scroll down, you also see once your application is approved, you will be contacted to discuss delivery and also be added to our agent WhatsApp group for timely support on any issue and guidelines on proper usage on our POS terminal. Note that we only have many POS terminal available at the moment. Check detailed page to learn more and see pictures here. So I'm going to show you the pictures of the available POS. So let me click on that. So I'm going to show you that. So you can also see you will be responsible for bill and delivery cost depending on your location. So withdrawal cost is from 100 naira to 10,000 to 100 naira uh, is 0.6%, and from 10,000 naira to 200,000 naira is 100 naira flat. So you can see what you'll be getting. So you will scroll down, then you see if you have funded your wallet with the caution fee and ready, so you can proceed to fill the form below and apply. So here you're gonna provide your business name, you're gonna provide your address, you're gonna provide your mobile number, your city, your state, your BVN, your NIN, or identification number. So you can see anywhere they not put the red star here, that means it's not actually compulsory, but then all these one are actually compulsory. So you're gonna upload any of the means of identification number that they mention at the top, which of course I read through, and you can also provide your utility bill, which is also very important. Then after you have provided everything here, you're gonna click on the apply button here. So after they apply, they're gonna reach out to you. So you wait for them until they get in touch with you. And let me show you some the apps you have to download. So sorry, the app incoming. I think I have issue with my Google Play Store. But then if you click on this particular link, it's gonna link you up to uh, Google Play Store, and it will, you can see once you click on this particular one, it's gonna ask you to download directly. That's more easier. So you're gonna pop up to download the app from Dataway platform directly. So on this particular one, also you can see the POS machine, how it looks like. Let me open that for you. So this is the POS machine. So this is how it looks like. So you're gonna also read through how to start the POS machine with data way. You can see I think this is the mini one as well. This is I think this is the mini POS. So this is the one they actually have available. If that's perfect for you, you can also proceed on to request for it. They also have some other POS terminal. I'm not sure if those one are actually available right now, but then you can reach out to the customer support to ask which one is available and which one you would like to go about. So this is a well detailed video on how you can apply for DataWay POS terminal, and of course how you can also be able to make money with DataWay POS. If you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'm very much happy to reply to your request. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.